How to insert a header or footer in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then, open the document where you want to add a header or footer. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list, select Headers and Footers. Then, choose either header or footer depending on what you want to add. Once the header or footer section opens at the top or bottom of the page, click inside it and start typing your desired text, such as the title, page numbers, or author name. You can also customize the font, size, and alignment to match your document's style using the toolbar option. After finishing, simply click anywhere outside the header or footer area to return to editing the main document. And that's it. Now you know how to insert a header or footer in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.